Just a quick little video there of me starting to clean up the glass from the sliding windows. It's all been rubbed down, the seals taken out. I'm trying to find the seals to go with this. I'm hoping the Defender ones fit, but you know, you can buy, you know, maybe not quite the right size, a Defender window, like sliding window for the right sort of money. It's been taken out of one. You know, and I've seen them for like 89 quid. But yeah, I'll see. I'm looking at alternative rubbers at the moment to see if I can make something up that's going to do the job. But we will see. That could be a difficult rubber to find, just because of the shape of it. Quite small, but we'll see how we get on anyway.